Hi guys, Mr. Landis. Welcome to Online Phys Ed. In this lesson, what I'm going to be doing is having you create a confession camera. If you don't know what that is, if you've seen reality shows, what they will do oftentimes is take the participants and put them in a room and put a camera on them and just have them speak freely, talk about their feelings, talk about what's going on in their head and kind of where they see themselves emotionally. So what I'm going to do is put you in a fictitious confession room, and I would like you to introduce yourself, talk about experiences you've had in phys ed, talk about experiences that you may have outside of school with fitness, whether you're on a team, whether you train on yourself at a fitness facility, at a gym, if you're in a club sport. And I would like you to elaborate and explain and share with the class kind of your experience of physical fitness. And what I would like to see you doing is this doesn't have to be rehearsed, it doesn't have to be polished. I just want you to speak freely, kind of what I'm doing now. I should see you looking into the camera, uh, no distractions around you, and I should be able to hear you. But this will serve as a practice project for what we're going to be doing further on down the course, which is putting you in front of a webcam and having you record responses and create projects and voice over certain things to bring your projects to life and expand on just typing responses into a text box in a black and white font. But just dive deeper into this online environment. So once you've created that, what I'd like you to do is then go through the three resources and read about target heart rate and heartbeats, and read about the five components of fitness and how all of this stuff works together nice and neatly in a workout routine, and what you're trying to accomplish when you are putting together your fitness routines and explaining your fitness journals. It'll talk about intensity. A lot of people don't understand what intensity is. So there's resources in there that will really explain that. And then what I'd like to do for the final part of the module is go through and take the three quizzes. The first and third one are 10 points. The middle one, the second one, is 15 points. They are timed. So, you should be reading that material before you're taking the quizzes. By all means, it is an open note. Life is an open book. You do not have to memorize this stuff, but you should be able to access it, and you will need to have read through it before taking the quizzes because they are timed. So you can't take all day to do that. All right. So hopefully you're in the course. If you're watching this and if you have any questions with the confession camera or any of the quizzes, there is a help discussion. Type your responses in there. See if not only myself but other classmates can help you out with that or maybe answer some of your questions. So I look forward to knowing more about you, and as always, be sure to read through or watch the rest of the class, your peers' video responses, camera confessions, and always we want you to respond to two other classmates. So again, have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care.